Imagine turning your living room into a massive 300-inch cinema experience. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best projectors of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your home theater setup. In this video, I'll break down image quality, brightness, smart features, and the biggest advantages of each projector. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. NexiGo TriVision. The NexiGo TriVision Ultra is a premium portable 4K projector that uses Tri-LED laser technology to deliver vibrant colors and high contrast. It offers 2600 lumens brightness and an impressive 100,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, producing sharp images even in moderately lit environments. Review highlights. This projector stands out for its speckle-free laser projection, which helps reduce eye strain while delivering a more comfortable viewing experience during long movie sessions. Pros: Tri-LED laser projection technology, 100,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, 3D playback capability, portable design with smart TV compatibility. Number 4. Hisense Laser C2. The Hisense Laser Mini C2 is a compact but powerful 4K laser projector designed for both home entertainment and portable use. It features triple-color laser technology and supports a massive 65-inch to 300-inch projection size. Review highlights. This projector delivers vibrant color accuracy with 110% BT 2020 color coverage, while the built-in JBL sound system provides surprisingly strong audio without external speakers. Pros: triple-color laser projection system, Dolby Vision support for cinematic quality, 110% BT 2020 color performance, JBL-tuned built-in speakers, flexible gimbal design for easy positioning. Number 3. JMGO N1S. The JMGO N1S is a smart portable 4K projector built for both indoor and outdoor entertainment. It uses triple laser projection technology and includes Google TV with official Netflix support, making streaming extremely easy. Review highlights. One of its standout features is the integrated gimbal design, which allows users to adjust the projection angle instantly without needing a tripod or stand. Pros: triple laser projection technology, Google TV with Netflix built-in, instant autofocus and auto keystone correction, 110% BT 2020 wide color coverage, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Number 2. NEBULA X1. The NEBULA X1 is a high-performance 4K triple laser projector designed to deliver premium home theater experiences. It offers 3500 ANSI lumens brightness, allowing clear images even in rooms with some ambient light. Review highlights. This projector delivers Dolby Vision support, a massive 300-inch screen capability, and a powerful 40-watt stereo speaker system, delivering both cinematic visuals and immersive sound. Pros: triple laser 4K projection system, 3500 ANSI lumens high brightness, Dolby Vision support, powerful 40-watt built-in stereo speakers, smart AI image optimization. Number 1. VisionMaster Max. Taking the top spot is the VisionMaster 4K laser projector, a flagship projector built for serious home theater enthusiasts. It delivers 3500 ISO lumens overbrightness, advanced anti-RBE technology, and exceptional black levels for cinematic contrast. Review highlights. This projector is built for premium performance, supporting IMAX enhanced visuals, HDR10+, and ultra-fast 4-millisecond response time with 240 Hz refresh support, making it excellent for both movies and gaming. Pros: 3500 ISO lumens ultra-bright projection, IMAX enhanced visual performance, HDR10+, and 3D support, ultra-fast 4-millisecond response time for gaming, massive 300-inch projection capability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing brightness, color accuracy, smart features, gaming performance, and overall image quality, the VisionMaster 4K laser projector stands out as the best overall projector in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.